We have to admit it's a good looking box. The red accent makes it look pretty classy. The fact that they haven't cluttered the back with the specs list makes it look minimalistic, which is good. Well, in case you haven't figured it out yet, this is the Realme 2 and we're going to unbox it. You don't get to see the phone right up front, but you do get this other box. Let's check it out first. There's a SIM eject tool, a silicone case to keep your phone protected. Then there's the phone itself, wrapped in plastic. Now, just like the box it came in, it looks quite minimalistic. The back is quite glossy and has a diamond cut design that you can see as we move the phone around. There's already a screen guard applied to the phone. Now let's boot it up and keep it aside for now. Now back in the box, there's the charger, a micro USB cable, and it looks like that's all that comes in the box. Now let's take a closer look at the phone itself. The Realme 2 sports a 6.2-inch HD Plus display with an 18.5:9 aspect ratio along with a notch. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 SoC and comes in 3GB and 4GB RAM variants with 32GB and 64GB storage options respectively. The storage is expandable via micro SD, which has a dedicated slot for itself separate from two SIM card slots. All this is fueled by a massive 4230 mAh battery. There's a dual rear camera setup that comprises of a 13 megapixel sensor paired with a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front, there's a single 8 megapixel camera. So this was a quick unboxing and first look at the Realme 2. Stay tuned for the full review, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.